Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about validation rules. Now, as I have said earlier that when it comes to validation, the model will be at the center. So here is the model, and we have the values, and these values are name, gender, country, introduction, visited countries, and we will add the rules on the variables itself. Now friends, if I show you the imports, there is this import, and the name of the import is javax.validation.constraint. So let me copy this particular part, and I will navigate to Google Chrome and paste this and hit enter. Now by default it will open up documentation from Java 7. We don't need that. We want the documentation at least from Java 8. So Google for the appropriate version of Java, because with every version of Java new validation rules are added. So in here, if I click on this link, let me open this, you will get a huge list, and definitely you can add many things, many validations in your model directly, and it will work just fine. Now friends, we won't be able to cover all the validations. This will make our course very boring and very big. So we will skip on displaying, demonstrating all these validations. But let me show you or highlight this particular validation, which is pattern. So in here we can also make use of a regular expression. As a result, we can search for or validate any patterns in a form submission. So again, that is there. One of the popular validation could be, for example, email. So let me quickly check how this will work. So in here, let me minimize this. In here, for example, I make things little simplified. Let me copy this and paste it. So we are simply modifying our program a little. There is no logical modification, but there is some cosmetic changes. So now we have every variable as an independent entity. Now moving forward, let us do a small little thing. We will add a rule on this introduction part, because this is a text thing, and this is not logical, but let us add a email rule on this variable that will make you understand how to apply these rules. So this would be like email annotation. Here we go. And now do we have something? So in here there are couple of things like a regular expression, payload, and all those stuff. One of the parameter is again message. So again we can add some custom message. So as of now we won't add any custom message, we will only add this rule. All right, so this is so damn simple. I have simply added a annotation and we are done. The only thing which is left is updating the view a little. So let me expand this, and let me copy this particular part, and let me copy and paste it here, and let me also update the path. All right, now let me run this application, and you will see that adding validations using this validator class is so damn simple. All right, now let me add my name, mail, India, and again I will add author, Taiwan, submit, and it will say must be well-formed email address. Perfect. So this is so damn simple to add these validations. And now here is your homework. Try to implement these validations into your form. Try to understand how these works, and these are very simple. So this is something which you need to do. You need to experiment, you need to test things out so that you can understand the validation furthermore. Alright, so having said this is it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you all will be very comfortable in implementing these validation into your own application. All right, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.